Are you struggling with your trading results? It's common to blame the markets for losses, but there might be more to the story. In this video, we dive into the reasons why the markets might not be the cause of your trading troubles, and how you can adapt to become a more successful trader. Discover the truth behind market movements and learn valuable strategies to enhance your trading performance. Remember to watch the entire video. We also have several videos on the channel that we know you will surely enjoy. So watch them after watching this video. For everything else, free Forex courses, free Forex robots, free indicators, and the broker that I use personally, see the links in the description box below. Welcome back, traders. If you've ever found yourself pointing fingers at the markets for your trading losses, you're not alone. But what if there's more to the story than meets the eye? In today's video, we're going to uncover the truth behind market movements and why blaming the markets might not be the solution. Stay tuned to learn how to enhance your trading game and achieve greater success. Picture this scenario: you've placed a trade, set your stop loss, and the market seems to move against you. It's easy to lay the blame on the markets, but is that the whole truth? Many traders believe that the markets are deliberately working against them. However, the reality is quite different. The markets move based on the collective actions of thousands of traders, including big institutions and organizations trading billions of currency. Your individual trade, even if it's a small one, doesn't hold the power to sway the markets. So, if the markets aren't the primary culprit, who or what could be responsible for trading losses? It's time to turn the spotlight on yourself. Chances are, the answer lies within your trading approach. It's not about being a bad trader or making mistakes. It's about timing, strategy execution, and market conditions. Even the slightest deviation from your trading plan can significantly impact the outcome. Reviewing your trading journal might reveal missed opportunities, distractions, or ignored signals. Adapting to evolving market conditions is crucial. A strategy that worked 3 months ago might not work today. Sometimes, minor adjustments in your strategy can make all the difference. Now that we've established that the markets aren't out to get you, let's discuss actionable solutions to improve your trading performance. Double-check your strategy for clarity. Simplify complex plans to make them more manageable and easier to execute. Stay attuned to changing market conditions and be ready to modify your strategy accordingly. Don't underestimate the power of a fresh perspective after a long shift. Missed opportunities can happen to anyone. Remember, as a trader, you're navigating an ever-changing sea of markets. You're like a single drop of rain in a vast ocean, and the markets are like the storm. Your individual actions don't dictate the market's movement, but adapting to change can help you ride the waves more effectively. Losses are a part of trading, but so are wins. By embracing adaptability and continuously evolving with the markets, you can increase your chances of success. So there you have it, traders. The next time you're tempted to blame the markets for your losses, remember that you hold the power to adapt, evolve, and enhance your trading strategies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful trading content. Until next time, happy trading.